In today's video, I'm going to teach you Kinetic typography technique in Canva. We'll build a clean, punchy animated word sequence that swaps colors and slides in with energy, perfect for reels, intros, or title cards. Start by opening a video template in Canva. A simple, blank video canvas works great because it keeps attention on the motion, but any style you like is fine. In the left sidebar, open the Text tab and add a heading. Type any word you want to animate. Short, bold words read best. Change the font to Anton. This condensed, heavy typeface creates strong shapes that look great when animated and stay readable at small sizes. If your text wraps, resize it until it sits on a single line, then scale it up so it dominates the frame. Use Canva's smart guides to snap the word right to the center, both vertically and horizontally, so every page lines up perfectly. Give the text a lighter or bright color so it pops against the background. High contrast hues like neon or pastel brights are ideal for kinetic type and help maintain legibility. With the text selected, click Animate and choose the baseline animation. This effect animates each character from the baseline, creating that classic kinetic typography feel. Adjust the direction control to match the movement you want. Left to right or right to left both work. Just stick with one direction for consistency across pages. Now, select the page in the Page panel and duplicate it. On the duplicate, click the canvas background and change its color to the exact same color as your text. Then change the text color to white. This produces a slick color flip between the two pages while the animation stays consistent, giving you a seamless, high-contrast transition. Duplicate the first page one more time and drag that duplicate to the end of the sequence. You now have 3 pages: original color, flipped color, and back to the original. This creates a rhythmic ABA pattern that feels intentional and loops nicely. Go to page 2 and rename the text to your next word. Keep the length similar so the alignment doesn't shift. Then go to page 3 and update that word as well, maintaining the same font and size for a seamless flow across the sequence. Click Preview to watch the full animation. Look for smooth motion, clean color transitions, and centered alignment. If a word feels jumpy, nudge the size or spacing slightly so each page matches. Once it looks right, you're done. Your kinetic typography is ready to use.